Today, we're diving deep into a massive Canon leak that's causing major waves in the photography and videography world. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is on the horizon, and the information surfacing is too big to ignore. If you're a Canon shooter, a mirrorless enthusiast, or someone looking to upgrade your gear in 2025, this is news you absolutely can't afford to miss. Canon is officially stepping up their mirrorless game again, and this time, they're going all in with major internal and external improvements. Canon EOS R6 Mark III, a game-changing evolution for hybrid shooters. After months of speculation, rumor threads, and leaked patents, the long-awaited Canon EOS R6 Mark III is nearing its official release, and we finally have a clearer idea of what to expect from this powerful full-frame mirrorless camera. It looks like Canon isn't just tweaking the R6 Mark II, they're fine-tuning a true hybrid beast meant for serious content creators, photographers, and filmmakers alike. Let's break down everything we've learned so far, along with a look ahead at the Canon EOS R3 Mark II, which could launch alongside it later in the year. New sensor, new possibilities, 24MP stacked CMOS sensor 1. Of the most exciting upgrades is the new 24.2 megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor, a big leap over its predecessor. This isn't your average sensor refresh. This tech will likely offer significantly faster readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and higher dynamic range, keywords that mean smoother 4K 6K video, sharper stills, and less motion distortion. Leaks indicate that this sensor might outperform even the upcoming EOS R5 Mark II in some areas, although it's not expected to match the ultra-flagship Canon EOS R1. However, there's strong speculation that it's closely related to the sensor found in the Canon EOS R3, optimized for better low-light performance and sharper output with minimal noise, even at higher ISO levels. This update is particularly important for hybrid shooters, as the improved sensor allows both high-resolution photography and cinematic quality video recording in one powerful body. No need to switch between dedicated systems anymore. Dual Digic X processors and a new acceleration unit. The R6 Mark III is expected to come equipped with dual Digic X image processors, working alongside a dedicated Digic accelerator chip. This triple-engine architecture will dramatically improve real-time performance, delivering lightning-fast autofocus, high-burst shooting speeds, and efficient heat management when recording demanding 6K video. Canon's processor upgrades also mean better support for future firmware improvements, AI-driven autofocus capabilities, and superior in-camera noise reduction, all crucial for today's fast-paced shooting environments, whether you're capturing sports, wildlife, or cinematic vlogs. 6K RAW video, 4K 120fps, perfect for creators and filmmakers. Canon is clearly listening to content creators. The EOS R6 Mark III is expected to record internal 6K RAW video at up to 60fps, putting it in direct competition with Sony's Alpha series and Nikon's Z series. And for slow-motion enthusiasts, 4K at 120fps is rumored to be available as well, without compromising image clarity or dynamic range. Color grading professionals will be thrilled to know that Canon Log 2 and Canon Log 3 support are reportedly included, giving creators more flexibility in post-production, better highlight recovery, and finer control over color tones. Whether you're shooting for YouTube, Netflix, or indie cinema, this camera is shaping up to be a reliable powerhouse. Fully articulating screen and vlogging-friendly design. Another major win for video creators and solo shooters is the redesigned, fully articulating LCD screen. This flippy screen makes it much easier to monitor yourself while vlogging, film from creative angles, or even shoot overhead. Canon seems to be following the trend set by Sony and Panasonic, giving creators more control in the field. Expect a high-resolution screen with touch support, allowing intuitive focus pulling, menu navigation, and playback control. Enhanced autofocus. With AI precision, Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 is getting a serious upgrade. Thanks to the dual Digic X processors and the expected inclusion of Canon's AI-powered subject tracking, the R6 Mark III should handle even the trickiest autofocus challenges with ease. From fast-moving athletes to unpredictable wildlife, and even fast-flying drones, this system should reliably keep your subject sharp. Face, eye, body, and animal detection are expected to be refined and faster than ever. Image stabilization and low-light brilliance. The in-body image stabilization system is expected to offer up to 8 stops of shake correction when paired with compatible RF lenses. That's a huge benefit for handheld shooting, especially when filming or capturing stills without a tripod. Combined with better high ISO performance and Canon's noise handling algorithm, this makes the R6 Mark III a top-tier performer in low-light scenarios, whether you're shooting under moonlight or in dimly lit indoor spaces. Expected pricing and release. Timeline. Current speculation points to an official launch window between July and September 2025, which aligns perfectly with Canon's usual pattern of releasing new hardware before major photography expos and trade shows. As for pricing, Canon has been quietly reducing the MSRP of the EOS R6 Mark II, now sitting at around $2,099, with refurbished units available even lower. This suggests the Canon EOS R6 Mark III will likely launch between $2,399 and $2,699, depending on availability, video features, and sensor advancements. Canon EOS R3 Mark II, a professional powerhouse on the horizon. Now let's take a brief detour into the high-end zone. Alongside the R6 Mark III, Canon is rumored to be preparing the EOS R3 Mark II, a professional-grade mirrorless machine aimed squarely at sports shooters, news photographers, and documentary filmmakers. This camera will likely rival Sony's A9 III and Nikon's Z9 II, and possibly even leapfrog them in key areas. According to leaks, the Canon R3 Mark II will include a 30.1 megapixel stacked BSI full-frame sensor with a whopping 15+ stops of dynamic range. This is a big jump from the original R3's 24.1 megapixel sensor and should deliver stunning highlight and shadow detail in RAW files. The native ISO range remains versatile at 100 to 102,400, expandable to an incredible 50 to 204,800. Expect spectacular low-light performance, ideal for event shooters, journalists, and astrophotographers. Advanced video capabilities, 6K RAW, and beyond. Just like the R6 Mark III, the R3 Mark II is expected to support 6K RAW video at 60 FPS, along with 4K at 120 FPS oversampled from 6K, ensuring crisp detail with zero aliasing or moire. Canon Log 4 and HDR PQ profiles may also make their debut here, creating cinematic content straight out of the camera. If you're into commercial filmmaking or high-end YouTube production, this camera could easily become your main video rig. Precision. AF and revolutionary eye control autofocus. Canon's 1,130 autofocus points, paired with AI subject recognition and eye tracking, are expected to return in a much smarter form. Leaks point to a more refined eye control AF, allowing users to focus exactly where they're looking, a groundbreaking feature that'll redefine intuitive shooting. The electronic shutter is rumored to reach 40 FPS, while the mechanical shutter caps at 15 FPS, both speeds ideal for sports, wildlife, and fast action events. Build quality. Connectivity and storage upgrades. As a professional tool, the R3 Mark II will be built tough, with a magnesium alloy body, improved weather sealing, and a design optimized for comfort during long sessions. Connectivity gets a boost too. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, full-size HDMI, and dedicated mic headphone jacks are expected. For storage, dual card slots supporting CF Express Type B and UHS-2 SD cards will offer flexible, high-speed media options for both video and stills. Competitive landscape. How Canon stacks up in 2025. Canon isn't releasing these cameras in a vacuum. Sony's Alpha A9 III is gunning for dominance in sports photography with a stacked 24-megapixel sensor and AI autofocus. Nikon's rumored Z9 II or Z92 could push 45.7 megapixel resolution with 8K video capabilities. But Canon has an edge. Their autofocus tech is highly trusted, their color science is beloved, and their hybrid systems keep improving. For creators looking for a reliable workhorse with top-tier video specs, incredible AF, and build quality that lasts, the Canon R6 Mark III might be the perfect mid-range solution. For professionals needing uncompromising performance, the R3 Mark II will stand as a flagship to beat. Final thoughts. A bold new era for Canon mirrorless. Canon seems to be carefully refining their full-frame mirrorless strategy in 2025. With the EOS R6 Mark III, they're offering a significant leap for hybrid creators, vloggers, and pro-level enthusiasts who demand more from their gear without jumping into flagship territory. And with the upcoming EOS R3 Mark II, they're setting their sights on professional dominance, offering unmatched autofocus, extreme dynamic, range, and pro-level video tools that push boundaries. Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future, and if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth news on the latest camera tech, leaks, reviews, and more. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to upgrade and what features you're most excited about.